Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Linear Wireless. We have another repair that needs to be done. Customer brought in and saying that it is not charging, so we have tried several different chargers and nothing is going on there. So we're gonna start, and we ordered the charging port for this. This is right here, that's the parts. We will be replacing it. Let's go ahead and start it. Okay, we're gonna heat it up a little bit and then start right here. Okay, we will be removing the housing, the frame, so make sure that you remove the SIM tray out of the way. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. Hey, I'll be right back, okay? Yeah. Okay, so now let's remove the housing. Start with where the SIM tray is at. Okay, we're gonna unplug the battery here and unplug right here and this thing here, and then the main connector there, and then we have to remove from here. There you go. Just gonna remove it from here. And then we'll grab a new charging port. Alright, just stick it in. Connect the LCD. Connect the fingerprint sensor there. Okay. Right here, and we're gonna do the battery there. Okay. Just put like this here. Okay, now before we do all the screws back. We're gonna make sure that it's actually charging. So grab the charger and then we'll see. There you go, problem solved. Now what we're gonna do is we can just put all of these screws back and put the back glass, and that should actually fixes this. Thanks for watching. Bye.